Hopefully it's recording again. Right, watch these rocks on at the start. Okay, let's do this. Okay, which way are we gonna go? Which way are we gonna go? I know. Back it up. Do you reckon left's best? Because it's kind of step. The one on the left looks best. It looks like it kind of steps down far left. As in past this big rock. There's kind of so there's kind of 3 ways down. The farthest left one looks best. It kind of steps down. I don't know what's around there. I'm not sure. Yeah, middle one drops off. Right one's very rocky, left one's best. Yes. Okay. But we need to make sure we go down it straight. So we need to have the back kicked out, so then we're going down it. Right at that angle. And then past that, there's another, but we can wait in at on the right, behind the big rock. I do not want to go in again. The joys. What do you reckon? Yeah, but it means if we can use them for some friction, it can slow us down a bit. Not hitting a rock, but underneath. Can you hear Beth? I can't hear. Which one, Nathaniel? Yeah, but what did Beth say?
We can't hear Beth.
So, here, to the left, there is a big there's a bunch of rocks down the bottom. So if you go on the left one, you're going to have to come here and then go that way. Don't go that way. You're going to get lost.
Yeah,
Under or?
they're on top. There's 2 on top at the bottom.
Right over there, like the middle one.
Yeah?
Don't go very right. The middle one is steeper. So it's a bit of a bigger drop, and there's a big boulder on the right hand side. So I think the left might be actually better. But come here first, and then angle that way.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll take it slow as possible. And we'll see how we go. Okay, we're gonna go for it. So. Crap, crap, crap. Backwards. Okay, we're gonna go for it. Crap, crap. Ah, well done, well done, well done. Yes! Okay, let's go in here. Into the right. Into the right. Why do we feel like we're falling off? Okay, let's get into the side. Okay, so there went that plan. Yeah, take the metal one quite fast, because you want to get past that boulder, so you want to come down kind of... Man, I thought we were gone. I thought we were gone. That would have been so bad. Right, how does this next one look? The left one again? Okay, let's see them coming down. Okay.